Hi, I'm John Rowland with Highland Park Lapidary, and I've had a number of people ask me as they get their HT12, oh, I think my belt's too small. Now, the belt on this is an A32, and so what I wanted to show you is because of the size of the saw and the belt sizing, this belt is the best fit for the saw, but it is a little bit tricky to put on if you're not familiar with it. So basically, what I do with these is I set the belt on first, and then I'm going to come over and I'm going to put it on the motor pulley like that. Then I'm going to come up and I'm going to set it down here. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually just put this screw in. Now, we adjust these adjusters for the belt when we test the units. And now I just pivot this over a little bit, and I'm pushing on the motor here to get the hole to line up. And then I want to move the motor so the belt's nice and straight like that. And now I can just tighten the screws. And this tension is pretty much perfect. We set them at the factory, so if you put the motor on and you don't change the tensioning, the belt tensioning screws, these have just a little bit of tension on them to get it to the right tension. But that's the only thing. If you mount the motor on and then try and put the belt on, it's kind of tricky. You'd have to really be like prying the belt over the edge, and it won't feel like it fits, and people will say it's too small. But if you put the next size up on here, the motor would be out really far, and probably the shaft of the motor would rub on the inside of the belt guard. So this is the best fit, and that's the technique for putting it on. It's really quite simple once you watch me do it once.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments. If there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot, we're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.